Hey guys, Bobby and Michelle again. Hey, I was on Facebook this morning, go figure, and I seen this thing that come up. It said something about 10 tortillas, cut in 4 strips, and it didn't really say the name of no recipe, but anyway, I get through with it, and it looks, oh my gosh. If you ever ate at Taco Bell and got the cheesy Dorito crunch, stack them straight. This is what this is going to be. So, bundt pan. Everybody knows what a bundt pan is. Got a hole in the middle. You're going to... Now listen, this recipe was really hard. Well, not really hard. It took for a bunch of stuff. Anyway, I cheated. I browned my beef, my ground beef, and drained it. I cooked it with an onion, and then I put in my taco seasoning. Use whatever taco seasoning you want. Or you can follow the recipe and buy onions, cloves, bell pepper, jalapeno, cayenne pepper, salt, pepper, paprika, cumin, whatever, and a lime. Anyway, we're just using taco seasoning. So I've got that on the stove. Flour tortillas. Is it 10?
It's 10 of them.
Okay.
I didn't count them, but...
Bobby's going to cut this in...
I'm doing the cutting so she don't cut her fingers.
4 strips. And while he's doing that, I'm going to spray the bundt pan.
So, 4 strips, right?
Yep. Don't cut a finger off. Woo! This stuff is going to layer up. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to have this with the guacamole that we made a while ago.
There.
Okay.
Cut.
Alright guys. Now he's going to take these layers, and I would probably, since these ain't as big, I'd probably go back and forth. So you've got some big and some little, you know. Okay. You're going to lay them in the bundt pan.
Yeah.
As
how I like.
Take each end and just do them like that and overlap them.
See, this one's too big though. So, did we put any like that?
How about, let's use the corner ones to go around here. I don't think it really matters, but...
Let's do them like this. Okay, this will work.
Just overlap them.
Yeah, because...
See how far theirs are overlapped? About just a little bit.
Yeah, just enough where it don't leak out.
Yeah, we don't want this leaking out. I've done preheated the oven to 350, and I'm got my meat here, so I'm gonna turn it off. It's ready. Y'all are gonna slap yourself.
Or your grandma.
Or Bobby.
Is that good then? I want them to be symmetrical.
This is how it goes?
Yeah. People enjoy food better if it's symmetrical.
Well, you do it.
Okay. Because you don't know what symmetrical means. Yeah, you do, don't you?
Yeah. That's supposed to be off there. This is cool a little bit. Great.
And you can see, kind of see what we're doing.
Woo, that's peachy.
There.
Now we're going to take, let me see how much cheddar cheese. We're going to take about a cup, or three-fourths of a cup of this one, I guess.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Crank that in there?
Uh-huh. That goes in the bottom on top of your little thingies.
It's kind of the glue that holds them together.
Yeah.
That look like 3/4 cup right there.
Yeah. And then we're going to take, that was our oven, some of the ground beef mixture and put on top of the cheese. Woo!
Yeah.
My crawfish pie. Chimachango. Y'all hadn't seen nothing yet what we fixing to add to this bad boy.
This is one of those meals that I'd love to like.
We can eat on this for like
eat too much
a week.
Yeah.
Okay. I was doing this spreadingly, evenly, because we're
going to do another layer.
Yeah, we got another layer, guys.
Got it sparingly.
How's that look?
That's beautiful.
Okay, now, next, does that go next? Wait a minute.
I don't know.
Tortilla strips again.
Yeah. Are we going to still use
no,
these corners?
See how they did it on here? They laid them down.
Oh, okay.
now.
Yeah, these would actually work pretty good though for that.
But actually, I don't see how their whole sides is covered right here.
I know, yeah, that's what I was worried about.
Maybe.
Well, what we'll do is we'll just stick one around there. We'll still layer it. You'll see what I mean.
Ours don't look the same.
It doesn't matter. We're not professionals. See, now, there, that's layered there. So, it'll fill up.
Wait a minute. Why don't we do it like, put this around it?
Okay.
Let's put these around the edge.
Yeah,
We make it very doughy.
it's okay.
That's good enough.
Okay.
One piece right down there. You want to tear it? We'll just cut it.
I don't know if that was allowed, but yeah, let's
Yeah,
tear
let's
it.
tear it. Tear that big mama boy.
There,
That one won't stand
mama
up.
boy. Hey, mama.
Cheese! Cheese!
Cheese, oh, I thought you were saying small.
Cheese!
More cheese on top of this layer here. Here, let me show them. See, look. See, why we got another layer there that we got to throw down. It's like a
Oh, wait a minute.
Too late.
Wait a minute. Then add the remaining layers in the following with moss. Let's see. Top. Okay. No.
No cheese. Woo,
We
good
want
thing I didn't do
right
that.
now. We want some mozzarella cheese.
Mozzarella cheese. It
Yeah,
looks the
sprinkle
same.
that in there.
Looks the same, tastes similar, but I don't really know. Mozzarella. It's the glue that holds the second layer together. Is that a quarter cup there?
That's more than a quarter cup, but yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're going to open our Doritos.
Doritos.
We're going to lay them down in there.
They are, by the way, not a sponsor of the show, but they're okay. Can't be a good Dorito. We're going to lay them in here, right?
Yeah, lay them
But
flat in there.
they're not as pretty as the ones that they had.
I'm watching this. Make sure we did it right.
Too late now.
So far, we've done it right.
Okay. This bag had like a lot of like weird.
Well, it don't matter. You can just scribble it. It don't matter.
No, I want symmetrical chips. Ooh, that one's salted. It has lots of burrito stuff on it.
This is where the Gordito crunch comes in.
Yeah.
And we covered that. Then we put
If
mozzarella
you're the
cheese.
type of person that puts like Cheetos or Fritos on your sandwiches, you'll like this.
If you chips, see, that's what they're doing right here. Look.
Chips. Yeah, there's just
Next.
another layer. We're layering again. Ready?
Some of that.
So, here we go.
I think as long as it's covered up. If you need to cut it off, I would, instead
we'll
of
cut
making
it,
so
we'll cut
much.
it when we're done.
I mean, instead of making, we don't want the sides like 3 layers thick, probably.
I know, but we can cut it when we're done.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Not if they're on top of each other.
Oh, you're talking about the sides. I see what you're talking about now. Okay.
Yeah, like we've already got double sides
Watch
over here
out.
now.
You'll get your finger cut.
You're poking that with me. Oh, don't cut that on my table.
Oh my goodness. I'll buy you another one.
Don't
I thought
don't
it was
double.
a cutting block table.
No, where did you? One more over here. I think you're putting too much.
Yeah, I'm really not sure. Okay.
Now we want cheese, the Fiesta cheese. 4 cheese, that one.
4 cheese. Quarter cup.
Just the rest of it.
Oh, the rest of it.
Is that too much?
Yeah, it was way too much, but we got rid of it though.
Okay, now we gotta do the meat.
Y'all like cheese?
I hope I saved enough meat.
Sure, it's plenty because one layer or the other. So we'll kind of mix it in there. Yeah, it's fine. It's plenty.
Oops.
trim these off.
You're doing awesome. This.
Mm.
Their layers and them round ones that's up here, look.
Yeah, that's where they should have been probably. You live and you learn.
And then this is going to cook for 45 minutes.
Does this bottom need to be completely covered up?
I guess it could be. I don't know. Strip that bad boy.
Because this is gonna be the bottom when we get done, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because it's gonna be upside down.
Upside down, boy, you turn me inside out and round, upside down. Oh, I ain't really singing. I forget those are. We may have put too much dough.
Yeah, but we'll eat it.
Okay, guys.
You
This
know,
is going to
see?
go in the oven for 45 minutes on 350, and then we will get right back at you. Let you know how it come out. Let you see it. I hope it dumps.
Yeah.
Okay. Bobby's removing our dish from the oven. It could 45 minutes again.
Smells good. It's boiling.
Hear the sound? Let's let them see this.
Oh. Well, that's the bottom of it.
It's the bottom, but just
Yeah.
watch. We've got a big plate. He's going to turn up. Okay, let's say a little quick prayer. Please let it come out of the pan. Please, Lord. Thank you.
Okay, here we go. Ready?
1, 2, 3, bam.
Just like that.
Is it in the center? Yeah. Wow. Look what we made. Oh, it's so pretty. Bobby,
Hmm?
what do you think about it?
Well, we gotta taste it
What
first.
do you think about it?
We gotta taste it.
Get him one of those knives in the drawer and slice us a little piece on here so they can get the
Right
looks. Well, we want to slice it so we can see what it looks like.
Like this one?
Sure. You might want to get a spatula to get out over there. A spatula.
Why?
Yeah. I don't know, that might be too wide, but I think so. Okay. He's going to slice this so we can see the inside of it for y'all.
Okay, ready?
Sure.
It's crispy.
Wow. Ours ain't cutting up quite like theirs did.
Just perfect.
Ours didn't do right.
It's crispy. It don't matter though. Right?
Cut it though.
There.
Mm.
Delicious.
It's not pretty, but ooh, darn, it's
Oh,
gonna
but it's
be
gonna
good.
taste good. I'm gonna
Peace
say
out. Okay, Bobby's gonna take a bite.
First, let me try the guacamole.
It's really good.
It's so good. I love avocados. Okay, here we go. It's good.
Guys, it is really good, but I'm gonna tell you what. Ours did not cut well. So,
Well,
next time I may just layer it up in a...
we were going to chew it up anyway.
Yeah, we're gonna chew it up, but... we might could just do this in like a 9x13 pan and just layer it that way and just scoop it out with a spoon. We might do that next. If we do, we'll video it. But anyway, it tastes wonderful. There's my plate. Okay, guys. See ya.